have an instant confidence on command. That's right, my friend, you listen carefully. Instant confidence on command. Now, my friend, if you are lacking confidence or if you need more confidence to achieve what you want in your life, come out of your problem, this is a workshop for you. Instant confidence on command is a 15 powerful, amazing, secret NLP techniques. Once you learn it, the instant confidence will be in your fingertips. So whenever and wherever you are, whenever you need confidence, you can instantly feel confidence on command. Now, my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control of Hyderabad, India. I help thousands of sportsmen to feel confident when they are playing. I help lot of CEOs to become confident for their meeting, public speaking. I help people who had a problem in giving talk or talking to someone and doing something, or they have a fear of failure that when they do something, they will not be able to do it. And because of that, they are not able to become successful. Using these powerful 15 secret NLP amazing techniques, you can immediately feel confident on command whenever you need it, wherever you need it. And then the important point of this, you don't need to use it every time. Once you have learned it, you can program your mind to link it to the future events. The moment you are there, you will feel instantly confident instead of feeling fearful, anxiety, stress. Your fear will be gone completely. So my friend, I am conducting a powerful WhatsApp workshop, video WhatsApp workshop, a 16-day WhatsApp workshop where you will learn step by step. I will be guiding you in each technique, which takes around 2 to 5 minutes. That's all, my friend. That takes only 2 to 5 minutes to do. And once you have learned, you can have an instant confidence on command in your pocket. So do you want instant confidence? So then this is the workshop for you. Click on the link below for more details and see you on the day of the workshop. Thank you very much.